I've been. I wish that it would go and let me cry in vain, and let me be alone again. The only girl I care about is gone away, looking for a brand new start. But little does she know that when she left that day, along with her she took my heart.
His evil documented. Oh shit! Wild animal! Oh my god! I feel like I'm recording for the Discovery Channel. Oh, he just challenged you. He's about to bite your face!
This face a little Black Cody.
Here's the sneak whisperer.
Chris Holt?
Make yourself all fancy. Here he comes. You're gonna miss him. Chris Holt! Move in again! We missed you. Damn, Circle K. Love! Man, I feel like I haven't seen you in a million years.
It has been a long time. I was just thinking about that.